Okay. If you like this, tell Grandpa Mike. Say thanks, Grandpa Mike. Parker. Dude, if you like this, tell Grandpa Mike. Thank you. Okay. Look at this cool thing. Whoa. Okay, send him up. Let him go down the daring drop. Put him on there. Let him go down the daring drop. Come on. Here, let me see it. You're not gonna do it? This is cool. He'll go on the daring drop?
Yeah. Mommy, how to do that, Mommy? It's a nice power train.
Let's see. Here he goes. Through. Down the daring drop. Woo! I think it has to be the other one for it to work. Yay!